Welcome to my fish room. Where's the wire cutters?
On your pliers?
Okay. Whenever I heat that up, it goes out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie it in place with wire and then heat it up. Am I keeping you up?
No, she's gonna woke me up too early.
Well,
You're using all my wire.
yeah, I paid for it. You belong to me, therefore.
But I need it.
No, you want it.
I need it.
You want it.
I need it.
Boy doesn't need anything.
This boy needs it.
No, you want it.
I need it.
You want it.
I need it.
Your wants are many. Your needs are few.
No, I have a lot of needs.
You need to do Dad's work. You need to stop complaining. You know how good that would be? A boy that didn't complain? I'd be so happy.
Dad's happiness means nothing.
No, Dad's happiness means everything.
No.
I know you.
No.
Wouldn't it be funny if I lit my hair on fire?
Not really.
It'd make for a good video.
So I can burn off your ponytail for a video?
No.
Accidentally.
Well, now that you've said it, I know it was on purpose.
How mad would you be?
Remember that child abuse we've discussed?
I'm not a child anymore and I can hit you back.
No, you can't. I just tell you you can't.
I'd still hit you.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I would.
You're not allowed.
So?
Karen,
What?
which one of us does what the other one says more often than not?
You.
I don't do what you say ever.
Dad, be home by 5.
And what time did I get home?
5:30.
It wasn't 5. And what time did I finish work? Just before I came home. So I didn't stop working just to come and bring you joy.
What are you doing?
No, I didn't.
Because you could have done more customers, but you didn't. Because I needed a truck.
It was also after 5. Saturday. Who wants to see me after 5 on a Saturday?
I'm sure people want their ponds open.
Oh, turn the water off here. We're almost in the flood.
No, you're not.
I did. This is what the boy says is perfectly acceptable. Okay, see there the water line? See, here's the fish we got.
I forgot the water was even on.
Yeah, well, so did I. Okay, set up the camera again.
Why?
Well, because I'm ready. Okay,
So then they know that I lied.
You lie a lot.
I don't. You do.
Hello? Hi? Can you call me in an hour? Okay, bye.
I didn't know this was going to take an hour.
Well, I didn't think it'd been an hour. I told him to call back in an hour last time.
Who, Sean?
No, the guy that I said call back in an hour when we first got here.
I don't remember that.
Well, that's because I was upstairs and you were out in the truck.
Ooh. I wasn't in the truck, though.
You weren't even in here.
Because the door wasn't open.
Where's the tube?
Which one? There's one there, one there, one there, one there.
Well, I need to pack.
There's 3 underneath the thing,
Yeah,
and
those
there's
are the ones I need.
and there's a red one over here. It's much, much larger.
Yeah. Where's the red one?
Right there.
Where?
This foot, this foot, this foot, this foot.
Sun, 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 sun.
Father, 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 father.
Oh, greatest Father ever. How can I repay you, Father?
For what?
For being such a father. That's what you're asking, right?
Coffee. Porky.
How come you won't teach your dad how to whistle?
What?
Well, you've never taught me how to whistle. Why we have the outlets up? Because water runs downhill.
Didn't Mom try and teach you how to whistle?
No, your mother would never teach me how to whistle. I think she wanted to have one thing that she could do that I can't do.